the key to the straight path. But before we proceed, there is another problem to be considered, the answer to which would open the door to a new and more comprehensive understanding. It would seem that in order to define the straight path, it should have been sufficient to call it the path of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, or the path of the Quran, which should also have been more succinct and more explicit, for the whole of the Holy Quran is really an explanation of the straight path and the teachings of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, an elaboration. But setting aside the succinct and explicit form of expression, the Holy Quran has taken up 2 verses of this short surah for defining and delimiting the straight path positively and negatively, and has thus indicated that if one wishes to follow the straight path, one should seek such and such men, those on whom Allah has bestowed His grace, and adopt their way. Here the Holy Quran does not ask us to follow the path of the Quran, for a book alone is not sufficient for the grooming of man. Nor does it ask us to follow the path of the Prophet, for the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was not to be in this world forever, and no other prophet was to come after him. So in enumerating those whose teaching and example can help us attain the straight path, the Holy Quran has, besides the prophets Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, included those 2 who will always be found living amongst us till the last day of the world, namely the Siddiqeen, the Shuhada, and the righteous.